Okay, dear. Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to start the grade 9 online class. Last day we already discussed about, I think that the lesson number 7, the last part we have to discuss today. So I'll start from the place we are stopped last week. Okay. Then you can turn your textbook page number 86. Today we are going to discuss about some effects of the plants growth factors. Okay. Write a topic as reason for falling leaves. Write a new topic as reason for falling leaves, and fruits. Okay. Reason for falling leaves and fruits. Reason for falling leaves and fruits, or it may be it's leaves. It's okay. So reason for falling leaves. You know that when we discuss about the plant leaves are joined to stem of the plant from a stalk. When the plant leaves get maturity, what will happen? The between the stem and the in here it made a abscission layer, right? It made a abscission layer. Because of that abscission layer, the plant growth substances are not going to the plant leaf. දැන් අපි ශාක පත්‍රයක් ගත්තාම මේ පත්‍රය ටිකක් පරිණත වෙනකොට මැචුරිටි වෙනකොට මේ පත්‍රේ ස්ටෝක් එක නැත්නම් පත්‍ර වෘන්තයයි මේ ස්ටෙම් එක කඳයි අතර හැදෙනවා ඇබ්සිසන් ලේයර් එක කියලා ලේයර් එකක්. ඇබ්සිසන් ලේයර්. right. ඇබ්සිසන් ලේයර් එක after produce the abscission layer, what will happen? The growth factors or growth substances in the plant not transmit to plant leaf. So what will happen? The function of the plant leaves get affected. As a reason, what will happen? Plant leaf going to yellow color after drying it, and then it break from the bark, then it falling down. right. එතකොට මතක තියාගන්න මෙතන ඇබ්සිසන් ලේයර් එක හැදුවට පස්සේ ලීෆ් එකට ඕන කරන ලේවල් ෆැක්ටර්ස් නියුට්‍රිෂන් වෝටර් ඒවා එන එක අඩු වෙනවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේ කොළය ගහෙන් ගැලවෙන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. That is the way of how the plant leaves are falling. Right. Okay. Write a note first. Right. Right as follow. The reduction results. The reduction results the reduction results in the amount of the reduction results in the amount of growth substances growth substances in fruits and leaves, in fruits and leaves, in fruits and leaves, with their maturity, with their maturity, with their maturity, it makes, it makes abscission layer. It makes abscission layer. It makes abscission layer. This is the abscission layer between the stalk of the leaf and the plant stem. හරි. අපි නම් චුට්ටක් ඒක ඇඳගමු. After producing this abscission layer, what will happen? The functions of the plant leaves get affected. Yes. හරි පුතේ මම ඒකේ ෆොටෝ එකක් දාන්නම්. එතකොට මේ abscission layer එක it's some kind of lipid layer. So you know that when we discuss about the needs of plant leaves, water, minerals, they are not transmitted to the plant after producing this abscission layer. That's the reason for falling of plants or leaves. Right? When the plant leaves and fruits are getting maturity, what will happen? The abscission layers are produced. Okay, we write a note. After producing abscission layer, after producing abscission layer, after producing abscission layer, meaning ahead of the, is that clear now? Okay. After producing abscission layer, after producing abscission layer, fruit and leaf, fruit and leaf fall, fall, take place in plants. Fall take place in plants. Fall take place in plants. Take place in plants. Okay, now we're going to discuss about artificial growth substances. Okay, write another new topic as artificial growth substances. What are the artificial growth substances and what are the uses of that? Right, now we are going to discuss about artificial growth substances. Okay. What are the artificial growth substances? Yes, the growth substances which are produced by the man or human being, we call them artificial growth substances. Okay, write a note as well. The the growth substances which are produced by the man, which are produced by the man is called, which are produced by the man is called artificial growth substances. Artificial growth substances. Right. You can see there are several feeds we are using these artificial growth substances. Okay. Now we are know that if uh, you have visited to Gannoru, right, agriculture center, you can see there are a lot of uses of these growth factors of plants. Right. Okay. Write another note. These substances are these substances are these substances are widely used in widely used in widely used in horticulture. Horticulture. gardening or horticulture? Horticulture. Right. Let's turn the page number 86. In your textbook, there is a chart. Can you see it? Table 7.1. Now you have to draw the table 7.1. In here, they are mentioning that some kind of artificial growth substances are there, and what are the uses of that? The first one is 2,4-DPA. අපි කියන්නේ 2,4 කියලා. Dichlorophenoxy acetic acid. And 2,4-5 2,4-5 TPA. 2,4-trichlorophenoxy acetic acid. The both are used in as a broad leaf weedicide for paddy fields. Okay, what is the function of the weedicides? Right, the high concentration of growth factors. If we are giving to a plant, what will happen? The functions of plants are getting affected. දැන් අපි ඕනවට වඩා ගහකට දුන්නොත් එහෙම ඔය growth factors මොකද වෙන්නේ? දැන් අපිට ඕනවට වඩා හෝමෝන විද ගත්තොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? What will happen to us when we are vaccines by the growth hormone, the high concentration? If the high concentration of growth hormones affects our body very dangerously, right? දැන් අපි ඕනට වඩා වර්ධක හෝමෝන විද ගත්තොත් අපිට හිතා ගන්න බැරි ප්‍රමාණයට අපේ ශරීරය වර්ධනය වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? That are the effects of the hormones. So in when we discuss about the plant, high concentration of growth factors are affected the plant functions. Right? එතකොට ඕනට වඩා වැඩි සාන්ද්‍රණයකින් දුන්නොත් ඒකට මේ growth factors ඒ ගහේ ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වය අඩාල වෙලා ගහ මැරෙන්න පුළුවන්. That's why we use these growth factors as weedicides. Right? එහෙනම් අපි මේවා වල් පැලෑටි නාශක විදියට පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Right. Then IAA, IBA, indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid. Those are the two auxins. They are commonly used to induce root formation of stem cuttings to grow fruits quickly. Right? They are inducing what? Formation of stem. Right? Formation of root formation of stem cuttings. නේද? දැන් අපි අතු කැබලි හිටවලා අලුතින් පැල ගන්නවානේ. දැන් මේ අතු කැබැල්ල එක අපිට if we can touch that parts of the plant part we touch with these hormones or these growth factors, right? අපිට පුළුවන් නම් මේක අපි ගහකින් ලබා ගන්න කොටසක මේ ශාකවර්ධක හෝමෝන තවර ගන්න. It is easy to growing or formation roots of that part. එතකොට ගහේ ඒ කොටසේ මුල් අද්දව ගන්න එක හරි ලේසි. ඒ හින්දා අපි අද ගොඩක් වෙලාවට හොටිකල්චර් වලදී කුෂ්මේන්ති නැත්නම් ගාඩනින් උද්‍යාන විද්‍යාවේදී අපි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ හෝමෝන්ස් යූස් කරනවා. right, ඊළඟ බලන්න NAA, naphthalene acidic acid, to prevent premature fruit drops. Right, when we are discussing about in this season, you know that the mangoes are in mango trees, what will happen? The most of the fruits are falling down. Right, if we prevent the falling of these fruits, it's a very economical advantage. We can obtain many economical advantages. The අඹ ගහක ගෙඩි ටික ඔක්කොම වැටෙන්න දෙන්නේ නැතුව තියාගත්තොත් අපිට එකකින් ගොඩක් ලොකු ලාභයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අපිට we can use these growth factors to prevent the premature fruit drop. What is the chemical constituents of that? Naphthalene acetic acid. ඔය naphthalene acetic acid එක අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් ගස්වල ගෙඩි වැටෙන එක නතර කරගන්න. And another one, cytosol. The cytosol is used to get mango fruits in the off season. Right? Off season එකේ fruits හදා ගන්න පුළුවන් මොනවා වලින්ද? cytosol වලින්. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි ඉක්මනට chart එක ඇඳලා අවසන් කරමු. Right? Now you can complete this table in your textbook, from your textbook to write it into your writing book. එහෙනම් මේක අපි writing book එකට copy කරගමු ඉක්මනට. හරි වෙලාවක් දෙන්නම්. Okay. Now we are going to start the new lesson. If you didn't finish that, you can uh, write this table as a homework. Okay. Right. Let's start the next lesson. Write a new topic in a new page. Support and movements of organisms. Lesson number 8. Support and movements of organisms. Support and movements of organisms. Lesson number 8. One. Support and movements of organisms. Lesson number 8. Okay, first write a topic as movements. First write a topic as movements. Movements. Right, movements. First topic. Right, what is the meaning of that movements? Right, when you think about the animals, right? When we discussing the movements of the animals, it should be a response to some stimuli in the environment. The animals can move their body one place to another place. This is also known as the locomotion. The locomotion of the animal is mode of movements. එතකොට අපි දන්නවා සත්තුන්ට පුළුවන් එක තැනක ඉඳන් තව තැනකට ගමන් කරන්න. අපි කියනවා සංචාරණය. එතකොට සංචාරණය කියන එක අපිට movement එකක් චලනයක් විදියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. What about we discuss about the plants? The plants cannot move one place to another place, but some parts of the plants can react for the stimuli in the environment. You know that the apex of the plant always grow towards the sunlight. Then the roots of plants always grow towards the water. Right. That are the movements of plants. But we are discussing here. We call that movements as what growth movements. They are some kind of growth movements. And this is the difference between plants and animal. The animals can move one place to another place, but the plants cannot move. But they are growing some parts of the plants to movements. නේද? ඒතකොට ගහකට තනින් තනට යන්න බැරි වුණාට එයාගේ ඇඟේ තියෙන ශරීරයේ තියෙන කොටස් වර්ධනය වීමෙන් එයා movements නැත්තම් මේ චලනය වීම දක්වනවා. ඒතකොට all place the plants or animals are moving as a response to some stimuli. සාර උත්තේජනට ප්‍රතිචාරයක් විදිහට තමයි මේ විදිහට එක තැනක ඉඳන් තව තැනකට ගමන් කරන්නේ. Right. Let's move to the what is the definition of the movements. Right as follow. Living organisms, living organisms living organisms change the location of their change the location of their change the location of their whole body or change the location of their whole body or part of its body parts of its body as a response to a as a response to a stimulus, as a response to a stimulus. This is called movements. This is called movements. Okay. Right. Now we are going to discuss about movements in animals. Okay. What about the movements of animals? Right. Now write a new topic about movements of animals. Movements of animals. Movements of animals. Okay. Write a note as some animals. Some animals. Some animals cannot move. Some animals cannot move. දැන් අපි සත්තුන්ගේ චලන ගැන ගත්තාට සමහර සත්තු ඉන්නවා එයාලට චලනය වෙන්න බෑ. Cannot move. Yes, what are the example? Animals which cannot move. What are example? First one is sea anemone. Sea anemone. The second one is coral polyps. එතන මුහුදු මල සහ භූමාවා කියලා දෙන්නට තනි තැනට යන්න බෑ. Right. Turn the page number 90. Turn the page number 90. There are some kind of animals are mentioned in there. Right. Name of animal. Yes. Appendages and used for movements. What are the helping body organs to movements? Name of the animal and appendages used for movements. Right. We can draw this chart. Right. අපි දැන් මේ chart එක අඳිමු පිටුව 90 වෙනි පිටුවේ අටේ එක chart එක ඇඳලා then you can read the things below the chart you can read. Right. Then you can find the answers. Right. Then you can find answers. Okay. Now complete this table. 8.1. If you want to get some answers, you can read the passages below the chart. Okay, dear, I think that uh, you finished the writing this table. Now we can complete the what are the appendages used for movements. Okay, first one. Amoeba use false feet for pseudopodia. Next one, Euglena. Yes, flagella. Euglena flagella. Paramecium cilia. Paramecium cilia. Earthworm. Yes, body. Okay, body muscles. So body. They are using body for the movements. Leech. Yes, same body. Dolphin flippers. අපි කියන අවල්පත් කියලා. Flippers පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Flippers. Dolphin flippers. Then snail muscle foot එකක් තියෙනවා යාලට. පේශිමි පාදයක් තියෙනවා. snail muscle foot එක use කරනවා. Then cobra, they are using their body for the movements. Toad, legs or limbs. We are knowing limbs or lower limbs, upper limbs. Then crow, wings. Cheetah, limbs or legs. Human, limbs or leg. Right. What are the body parts help for the movements of humans? Right? What are the body parts help for the movements of humans? You know that muscles, bones, and ligaments are helpful for the movements of humans. එතකොට දැන් මිනිස්සුන්ට ඇවිදින්න ගමන් කරන්න ඒ වගේ දේවල් වලට මොනවද ඕන වෙන්නේ? එකක් bones, අනික muscles. The muscles are connected to the bones. When the muscles are moving, bones also moving, right? The bone main function of the bone is to provide support. එතකොට bones වල ප්‍රධාන කාර්යය තමයි සන්ධාරණය කරන එක අපේ ශරීරය. එතකොට ඊට අමතරව muscles තියෙනකොට muscles movements වෙනකොට අපිට bones වලින් locomotion කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Next topic. Bones, muscles and joints. Right. Next topic. Bones, muscles and joints. New topic is bones, muscles and joints or ligaments. Bones, muscles and joints. Bones, muscles and joints. Right. You know that the muscles are helpful for the invertebrates. දැන් හොඳට පෙලක් නැති සත්තුන්ට අපෘෂ්ඨවංශීන්ට පේශි තමයි උදව් වෙන්නේ චලනය වෙන්න. හැබැයි when we discuss about the vertebrates අපි කියන පෘෂ්ඨවංශීන්ට they are using both muscles and bones for their locomotions. Okay. Write the note as follow. Vertebrates are used both muscles and bones for their movements. for their movements, but invertebrates invertebrates use only muscles. Next point. Right. You know that the bones and muscles are helpful for the movements, but there are some other functions of bones and muscles. What are they? Yes, provide a shape to the body and it keep the rigidity of the body. නේද? ශරීරයේ ඍජුව තියාගන්න උදව් වෙනවා. Right. ලියන්න මෙහෙම ඊළඟ next point එක. Bones and muscles are help for maintain the body shape and maintain the body shape and rigidity. Maintain the body shape and rigidity. Maintains the body shape and rigidity. Right, rigidity means provide support. Within brackets you can write provide support. අපි ඔකට සිංහෙන් කියනවා සඳාරණය කියලා. Rigidity provides support. අපි කියනවා සඳාරණය කියලා. Okay, write a new topic as how muscles are work. How muscles are work. Now we are going to discuss about when helping the movement, how muscles are work. Write a new topic as how muscles are working. How muscles are working. Right. Write a point. You know that the several adaptations occurs muscles for the movements. Right. Write a note. Several features of muscles. Several features of muscles are helpful for movements. Are helpful for movements. First one. Are helpful for movements. First one. The muscles are The muscle cells are arranged as fibers. The muscle cells are arranged as fibers. Right. When we discuss in the what are the features of the muscles, there are three kind of muscles in our body. First one is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles situated in the smooth places in our body. Blood vessels, respiratory tract, bladder, digestive tract. There are so many places we can see in the smooth muscles. And second type of muscle is the skeletal muscles. You know, the skeletal system means the system which made by the bones. The muscles which are contact with the bones, we call them skeletal muscles. The two second type of the muscle is the skeletal muscles. They are joined to our limbs, neck, and so many places we can move by using these skeletal muscles. The other third part of the third kind of the muscle is the cardiac muscles. The only heart is representing the cardiac muscles. But all muscles are, when we get the structure of the muscles, the smooth muscles are like this. As it built as it arranges fibers. Okay, this is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscle fibers. Okay, the first point, the muscle cells are arranged as fibrous. Okay, fibrous. Right. If you want to draw this diagram, you can draw it. This is the smooth muscle fibers. එතන muscle fibers විදිහට තන්තු විදිහට තමයි හැඩ ගැහෙන්නේ. කේන්දි තන්තු වගේ. හරි මේක අඳගන්න මම මේකේ ෆිගර් එකක් ඔයාලට එවන්නම් group එකට. smooth muscle fiber එකක් ඇඳගන්න. Okay, Pevin, tell me. Right, let's start to do next part of the lesson. The second point, what is the second adaptation of muscles? Right. The muscles cells can contract or shorten or they can relax. Okay. Relax or contract. Muscle fibers can contract or relax. ඒවට contract වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Relax, dilate වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right. And the next point is muscle cells can contract or relax. Muscle cells can contract or relax. contract or relax. The third point is when the muscle fibers are contracting or relaxing, they can come to original position again, right? They can come to original position if again. Then when we thinking about if the muscle is get contract after relaxing is the it come to same position. Okay. එතකොට කලින් හිටපු විදිහට මේ මසල් එක තියෙනවා ඒක වෙනසක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right. The next point is when muscles are relaxed or contracted, when muscles are relaxed or contracted, when muscles relax or contracted, when muscles are relaxed or contracted, they have they have they have the ability to yes ඒක අහුන්නේ නැද්ද පුතේ when muscles are relaxed or contracted when muscles are relaxed okay I'll tell you again when muscles are relaxed or contracted when muscles are relaxed or contracted they have a ability to they have a ability to they have a ability to reach the original position reach the original position again reach the original position again okay the next topic is how the elbow joint works next topic is how the elbow joint works how the elbow joint works okay now we going to draw a diagram of elbow joint you can turn the page number 91 and draw this diagram. In our elbow joint, we can see there are three muscles are there. There are three muscles are there. Sorry, there are three bones are there. Each contact with several muscles. The first one is the bicep muscles. This is the bicep muscle. This is the tricep muscles. එතන elbow joint එක ගත්තාම එතන තියෙනවා there are three bones are there. First one is the humerus. මේ උඩින් තියෙන අස්ථියට අපි කියනවා humerus කියලා. Yes, topic is how the elbow joint works. How the elbow joint works. How the elbow joint works. Now you can draw the diagram of elbow joint by using your textbook page number 91. I am drawing a structure here. You can use it can see. You can use this one. This is the biceps muscle. Right. This is the tricep muscles. This is the humerus. Humerus. And other are radius and ulna. This is the bone named radius. This is the ulna. ප්‍රගණ්ඩාස්තිය, අරාස්තිය, අන්වරාස්තිය කියලා අපි ඔක සිංහලෙන් නම් කරනවා. And bones are connected by tendons. Tendons. හරි. දැන් අපි දන්නවා අපේ අත ගත්තාම ඒකේ තියෙනවා මේ upper arm and lower arm කියලා කොටස් දෙකක්. එතකොට you know that the bicep muscles. දැන් ඔය boys are very interesting about the bicep muscles. They are showing bicep muscles. It is there. It is always trying to make the bicep muscles more prominent. නේද? දැන් පිරිමි ළමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට bicep muscle එක ටිකක් පේනවට කැමති. ඒ හින්දා යාළුවා පොඩ්ඩක් bicep muscles එක වැඩිපුර ටිකක් මහත් කරගන්න උත්සාහ කරනවා. එතකොට අතේ උඩ බාහුවේ තියෙන ඉස්සරහා පැත්තෙන් තියෙන muscle එක තමයි bicep muscle එක. යටින් තියෙන muscle එක තමයි tricep muscle එක. එතකොට bicep, tricep. When the bicep muscles get contract, what will happen? We can bend the elbow joint towards the body. අපිට ඇඟ පැත්තට elbow joint එක නමන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට මේ muscles දෙක contract වෙනකොට relax වෙනකොට තමයි අපේ elbow joint එක work කරන්නේ. Right. ඒක diagram එක අදින්න මම මේකේ photo එකක් දාන්නම් group එකට. Right. ඔන්න photo එකක් දාන්න group එකට ඒක බලලා අඳින්න. You can use the photo which I sent to your group. Okay, dear, this is the elbow joint and you can think that how it's work. Okay. What will happen here? There are two muscles are participating to bending the elbow joint. Okay, write the note as follow. If you couldn't draw the figure yet, you can draw it after the lesson and keep the space for the figure. Write a note as follow. When bicep muscle is contracted, when bicep muscle is contracted, when the bicep muscle is contracted, the hands bends and lifts up. Hands bend and lifts up. Hands bends and lifts up. Next point. When tricep muscle is contracted, 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 the hand is stretched. The hand is stretched. Okay, you can see a model which make for the moderate the functioning of the elbow joint. You can see page number 91, figure 8.3. Right. Now you can draw it. Okay. If you think this is the bicep muscles, this is the tricep muscles. The biceps කියන්නේ ඒකේ තියෙනවා roots දෙකක්. tricep කියන්නේ ඒකේ roots තුනක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේකේ මේ bicep එකේ එක root එකක් radius bone එකට join වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට if the bicep muscle is contracted, what will happen? The elbow joint, our hand, yes, bend towards the body or it get lifted. අත උඩට නැමෙනවා. right. එතකොට tricep muscle එක contract වෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? අත දිගෑරෙනවා. එතකොට bicep muscle එක එයාගේ original place එකට original situation එකට ආයෙ එනවා. එතකොට ওই විදිහට තමයි contraction and relaxations are happen. So we can moderate this elbow joint by using the model like figure 8.3. Now you can draw that one. Right? අපි දැන් අර figure 8.3 වල තියෙන එක පොඩ්ඩක් ඇඳගමු. It's moderate the how the elbow joint is work. Right? අපිට ඒක බලන්න පුළුවන් ඒකෙන් කොහොමද elbow joint එක වැඩ කරන්නේ කියලා. This is the elastic band. Wooden plank. Right. This is the model of the elbow joint. This model is also work as same with the elbow joint. Now it represent the elastic band A, bicep muscle. Elastic band B represent tricep muscle. If the elastic band A get constrict, what will happen? The wooden plank Q come lifted or it going upward. Okay, let's start to write a note. Write as follows. Elastic band A, elastic band A represent the elastic band A represent the bicep muscle. Elastic band A represent the bicep muscle. Elastic band A represent the bicep muscle. Elastic band B, elastic band B represent the elastic band B represent the tricep muscle. Elastic band B represent the tricep muscle. Right. Now let's we move to the next topic of the lesson. Write a new topic as movements of plants. Now we are going to discuss about how the plants get moved or movements of plants. New topic is movements of plants. Movements of plants. Right. What are the movements of plants? Yes. The movements of plants can be divided as into two types. The first one is tropic movements. The second one is nastic movement. Tropic movements and nastic movements. Right. The tropic movements means what? Right. The tropic movements always the movements are depend on the direction of the stimuli coming. දැන් ගස්වල සිද්ධ වෙන එක චලන වර්ගයක් තියෙනවා දරුවෝ. ඒකෙදි මොකද වෙන්නේ? උත්තේජයත් එක්ක stimulus එකත් එක්ක directly response is contract. Movements is contracting. Now you know the apex of the plant growing towards the lights. එතකොට lights is the stimulus. Light is the stimulus. Growing apex towards the light is the response or movement. The movements directly link with the stimulus. That's kind of movements we are called what? Tropic movements. The other movements of the plant, if you touch a leaf of the mimosa, it is not the response of movements, not contact with the where the stimulus, the direction of the where the stimulus come. දිගුම ගහක කොළයක් ඇල්ලුවාම ඔයා කොහෙන් ඇල්ලුවද කියන එක වැදගත් නෑ. එතකොට කොළේ ඇකිලෙනවා. right? එතකොට ඒකට stimulus එකත් එක්ක උත්තේජයත් එක්ක not join directly. ඒකට එක ඍජු සම්බන්ධයක් නෑ. එහෙනම් උත්තේජයක් එක්ක ඍජු සම්බන්ධයක් සහිතව වෙනවා නම් ඒක tropic movement එකක්. උත්තේජයත් එක්ක stimulus එකත් එක්ක නේද? link එකක් නැත්නම් එතන combination එකක් නැත්නම් ඒක what nastic movement එකක් කියලා අපි කියනවා. හරි එහෙනම් අපි යමු ඊළඟ section එකට. Okay, growth of a part, write a note, growth of a part of a plant growth of a part of a plant growth of a part of a plant as a response to a response to a as a response to a stimulus as a response to a stimulus. Growth of part of a plant as a response to a stimulus or change of the location or change of the location or change of the location due to a due to a Turgor change due to a Turgor change Turgor Turgor change Turgor change is known as a is known as a is known as a movement of a plant. Movement of a plant. Next point. There are two types of plants movements. 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 First one, tropic movements. First one, tropic movements. First one, tropic movements. Second one, nastic movements. Nastic movement. Nastic movement. Tropic movements and nastic movements. First one, tropic movements. Second one, nastic movements. Write the first topic as tropic movements. අපි සිංහලෙන් මේකට කියනවා ආවර්ති චලන කියලා. එතකොට ගහේ කොටසක චලනයක් වෙනවා උත්තේජයත් එක්ක ඍජු සම්බන්ධයක් තියෙනවා. The direction of the stimulus directly join with the movements of the plants. Tropic movements. Right. we can see a direct influence between the direction of stimulus and direction of response. Okay, write the definition of tropic movements. Tropic movements are tropic movements are growth or movements, growth or movements, growth or movements, growth or movements that occur due to 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 a direct influence between a direct influence between the direct influence between the direct influence between the direction of stimulus the direction of stimulus and direction of response direction of stimulus and direction of response direction of stimulus and direction of response. These are topic moments. Right, another point, response may be response may be towards or away. Response may be towards or away from the stimulus. Towards or away from the stimulus. Towards or away from the stimulus. Okay, right. Another point. When the towards the stimulus, it is called what? Towards the stimulus, it is called positive tropism. Positive tropism. Tropic movements, positive tropism. Right. What about the ආය බලන්න පුතේ ඒක දැන් අපි ඊට පස්සේ යටින් ලියන්න මෙහෙම towards the stimulus කියලා යටින් ලියලා ඒකට අපි කියනවා positive tropism කියලා. ධන ආවර්ති චලනයක්. positive tropism. ධන ආවර්ති tropism. PISM tropism. Positive tropism. Away from the stimulus. Away from the stimulus, we call it negative tropism. Negative tropism. Again, ධන ආවර්ති ඍණ ආවර්ති. Right? When the effects of the plant growing towards the sunlight, yes, it's a positive tropism. But the roots of the plant not grow towards the sunlight, but opposite the or away from the sunlight. This is called negative tropism. එහෙනම් උත්තේජයේ පැත්තට වෙනවා නම් ඒක ධන චලනයක්, උත්තේජයේ නිවතන වෙනවා නම් ඒක ඍණ චලනයක්. Right, what are the factors we can use here to describe the tropic movements? Right, the first one is geotropism. Okay, positive and negative geotropism. The geotropism means the attraction from the earth, gurutvakarshane. එතන පොළව දෙසට යනවා නම් ඒක positive geotrophism. පොළවේ නිවතට යනවා නම් negative geotrophism. එතකොට ඉරේලිය පැත්තට යනවා නම් positive phototropism. ඉරේලිය නිවතට යනවා නම් negative phototropism. වතුර පැත්තට යනවා නම් positive hydrotropism. වතුරේ නහකට යනවා නම් negative hydrotropism. රසායන ද්‍රව්‍ය දෙසට යනවා නම් positive chemiotropism. රසායන ද්‍රව්‍ය වලින් නිවතට යනවා නම් negative chemiotropism. right. එතකොට දැන් අපි දන්නවා ඔය passion වල එහෙම පහුරු නේද? coiling of tendrils in passion fruit with the support. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඒක ස්පර්ශාවර්ති ගෑවෙනවත් එක්ක positive thigmotropism. හොඳයි. එහෙනම් අපි මේ ටික example විදිහට ලියාගමු. turn your page number 93. There are some examples for the positive and negative tropism movements. Okay, now write this example for in your writing book. හරි එහෙනම් මේ ටික ලියා ගන්න පොතේ උඩ තියෙන ටික tropic movements ටික. ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. There are two kind of tropic movements. First one is positive tropism, second one negative tropism. Towards the stimulus and yes, outward the stimulus, for away from the stimulus. That are the two types. හරි ඒ ටික ලියා ගන්න දැන්. Okay, right. You can write those examples for as a homework and keep the space for the writing these points, and then write a new topic as nastic movements. Okay, now we are going to discuss about nastic movements. Write a new topic about nastic movements. Right here, nastic movements, the response of the plants or movements of the plants are not depend on the direction of stimulus. Okay, එතකොට මේකෙදී ඩිරෙක්ෂන් එකත් එක්ක කිසිම සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. කලින් තීරණය කරගත්තු විදිහට වෙනවා. නිදි කුඹ ගහක කොළයක් ඇල්ලුවොත් ඇකිලෙන එකට කොයි පැත්තෙන්ද කියන එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හවස් වෙනකොට කතුරු මුංගා සියඹලා වගේ ගස්ස කොළ ඇකිලෙනවා. ඒකට උත්තේජන කොහෙන් එනවද කියන එක වැදගත් නැහැ. The stimulus and the movements are not not contact each other as directly. Right. එහෙනම් ඒවා තමයි අපි කියන්නේ nastic movements නැත්නම් අපි වල කියනවා සංගමන චලන කියලා සිංහලෙන්. Right. Write the topic as nastic movements. Write the definition of the nastic movements. Response of the responses are not depend on the responses are not depend on the direction of stimulus or responses are not depend on the direction of direction of stimulus direction of stimulus direction of stimulus are known as nastic movements. Right. Okay. Let's see what are the example for the nastic movements. The first one is nyctic movements. The sleeping or shrinking of leaves of katurburunga, tamarind, nelly when dark falls. හවස් වෙනකොට අඳුර වැටෙනකොට කතුරුබුරුංග වගේ ගස්වල පත්‍ර හැකිලෙනවා. ඔකට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා නිද්‍රා සන්නමන. Nyctinastic movements. Second one, haptonastic movements. Sleeping or shrinking of mimosa leaves when the stimulus is touched. ඇල්ලුවොත් හැකිලෙනවා. That is called haptonastic. The next one is seismonastic movements. කම්පණය කරාම පොළව කම්පණය කරාම ස්ලීප් වෙනව නැත්තම් නිදා ගන්නවා. ඊළඟ එක photonestic movements. සමහරලාට මල් පිපෙනවා ඉර එළිය වැටෙනකොට. It is called photonestic movements. Now you can write down what are the example for the nastic movements. එතකොට ඒ ටික ඔයාලා example විදිහට ලියා ගන්න. හොඳයි එතකොට පුතේ අපි next day we can discuss the other parts of the lessons. Okay, let's meet next Friday the same time. I'll send you some worksheets for your group. If I send in the worksheet but someone's are not doing it, okay? It is I am not forced for you, but you have to responsible to do the worksheets for practice your lessons. And now make the correction from this lessons and next Friday we can join the same time. Thanks for joining with me today. Have a nice day. I won.